Hey there, I'm Robin from FooSales, and in this video I'm going to take you through the latest updates made to the FooSales Web version. In previous versions of the FooSales Web App, the only way to fetch the latest product and order data from your store was to disconnect and reconnect to your store. As of version 1.7, data is now cached using your browser's local storage, and updates are fetched periodically in the background. When you first connect your store using the latest version, FooSales will create a local cache of your product and order information. From there, FooSales will periodically check to see if there have been any updates to the WooCommerce products or orders. This will ensure any sales or product updates made via your WooCommerce store or other FooSales devices are automatically updated in real time. This also means that should you disconnect your store and reconnect, it'll only retrieve the data that has changed since you last used the web version. This will not only reduce load on your WooCommerce store, but it will also significantly speed up the time it takes to load the FooSales Web App. If you open the settings screen in the web app, we've added a slider that you can use to control how often these background updates are placed. If you don't want to automatically sync data, you can disable background updates by setting the slider to 0. You can also use the resync option to update your data in full at any time. In addition to this, you can also update the product and order lists using the new resync icons. FooSales will then perform a quick check to see if there have been any external updates to products or orders since the last time the data was synced. Any new orders and updates to products and orders will automatically appear in the app and will be cached on your device. We also implemented a number of minor updates, such as the ability to expand the variations view and input cart quantities. That's it for now, but be sure to sign up to our newsletter on our blog page to receive the latest updates and news.